What's up everybody, it's Audrey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I am unboxing the Sony ZV-1. If you haven't heard about this camera, where have you been? It's literally like the vlogging camera. Compared to the G7X, it is still better. It's newer, I believe it just came out this year, and it costs the same as the G7X. And I know the G7X is a few years old. I don't know if they make newer versions of it or anything. This camera is actually like insane. I'm not filming with it right now. You guys will see later in the video what the quality looks like, how the sound is different and everything, and I'm just like so excited for this. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so this is the brand new Sony ZV-1 digital camera. I've seen a lot of good reviews about this, which is the main reason why I got it. It's also a really good camera. It has like a lot of advanced features that Canon doesn't have. I've been wanting to get a vlog camera for a while now. I was just debating between this one and the Canon G7X, but after comparing the two, I feel like the ZV-1 really won. So yeah, so now we're here to unbox it. I bought it yesterday. You guys saw that, or you guys are gonna see that in my week in my life of vlog, which is coming out next week, so stay tuned for that. This is kind of just like the camera itself. So let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so this is the unboxing. It just comes out like this, and we have a whole bunch of paperwork here that obviously nobody cares about, not even me. And sorry, I'm doing this like single-handedly because I'm holding the camera with the other hand. But anyways, here is the camera. Oh my gosh, I'm like so shook right now. I'm so scared. What's this? Okay, so this is the little, what do you call it? It's like a dead cat or dead kitten or something like that. It's like to cover the mic in like windy situations. And here itself is the camera. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side, and then we have the charger. Oh, okay. So, and then right here we have the battery. Okay, so then the charger is right here. It's a USB, and then it just connects to the camera. So let's get to the camera. Alright, so this is the camera itself. It comes in this little, like, packaging. Okay, this is gonna be so hard to do without, like... Okay, let's just slide it out. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, great. Oh my gosh, wait, okay. This is actually pretty light. It's a really pretty camera. Not even like lying or anything. Look at it. It's so nice. We're gonna test it out in a little bit, but this is kind of what it looks like. It has a screen, and then it has like obviously the buttons here, and then the buttons on the top. The record button where it should be, and then a lens and everything, and then this screen comes out. Alright, so there is the screen coming out, and it comes out to the side, and then it has the little tripod holder in the bottom. And the cool thing about this screen is that you can flip it. Cool. So you can flip it this way and then pull it inwards like so, and protect your screen in this way. So let's get the battery in it, and let's turn it on. Alright, so here you have the battery. I just turned the camera over. I think this just slides out. Yeah, okay, cool. And then you just flick it. Yeah, cool, great. There we go. Alright, and then I'm just gonna get an SD card. This is the one that I usually use. Let's turn it on now. Ooh, okay, cool. So let's set it up. English, great. Enter. I'm definitely not New York. Let's do, yeah, San Francisco / Tijuana. Yeah, close enough. Daylight savings. Let's do on. Date and time. Today is September 1st, and it's like 2 something.
Cool. English, yes. Image edge, go here for available applications. Okay, cool. Preparing image database file, please wait. Great. Ooh! Okay, so the lens just popped out, which is why that happened. And this is kind of like the camera itself. So now what I'm going to do is kind of give you guys a review and go from there. I don't know how much I'll be able to do this just because the battery is kind of low on it. So I think I might charge it first and then play with it and insert the clips to this video. Hi. We're like really far. Is this the far? Oh, no, that's zooming in. Do not need to zoom in right now. Alright, so this is the camera. This is like the footage of the camera right now. I know that it does this like blurring effect. So that's like the background defocused, and then that's it undefocused. So like everything's clear, and then here we go again. Defocused and focus. Can you guys tell a difference? I don't know. I can't really see it from over here. Defocus. I feel like, okay, now looking at it, I feel like you can. This is like actually pretty wild. I've never had like a vlogging camera that like you can like, well, I've never had a vlogging camera, period. But I haven't had a camera where like you can see both like yourself. I don't know if that makes any sense. But yeah, this is like so dope. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more just to like kind of see like what there is about it. Oh, you guys, check this freaking autofocus out. You guys are gonna lose it just like I did when I saw this. So my face obviously is focused right now. Do you see how fast that was? Do you see how freaking fast that autofocus is? Like, that's not even like a second. It's literally just, hi, like, I'm here now. That is actually insane. I freaking like, I don't know. I've had this for 2 seconds and I already love it. There's also like a light in the front that lights up when it's red, because obviously it's showing you that, you know, you can record. Here's like the zooming in feature. We'll zoom in. We'll zoom into my eye, because why not? I mean, even then, like, quality, really freaking good. That autofocus is just as good. That's still freaking pretty freaking great. That's actually insane. Whoa. It does take a while to zoom back out, just a bit. But honestly, I prefer it to zoom out pretty slow and have like a fast autofocus than for it to not, you know? I'm like so shook right now. I'm so excited that I was like actually finally able to get this camera. Like I had said before, I was looking for a camera because right now I have a DSLR camera. It's the Canon T5, and that's basically what I use to film my videos and everything. But when it comes to vlogging, it's kind of hard to do that because like I have like a really big DSLR camera that I can't take with me. So then I go to my phone, and I'm not saying that my phone is like trash at recording or anything, but a vlogging camera is definitely better. I'm just so happy that I was able to make this purchase and invest in it for like a few months now, and like, yeah, I'm just like really happy about it. Guys, that was it for my unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video or you found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming out with very interesting and fun content this month, so be sure to stay updated with me and I'll stay updated with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.